In this video, you will learn how to assemble a wine rack.
To assemble this cabinet, you will need the following tools and supplies: a power drill equipped with a Phillips head bit or a Phillips head screwdriver, a dead blow hammer or rubber mallet, and a staple gun. While an air-powered pneumatic staple gun will make the job easier, you can also use an inexpensive manual staple gun. We tested the Aero Model T50 heavy-duty staple gun with success, and this model can be found for under $20 at most hardware stores. You'll also need the appropriate 3/8 or 10mm staples for your staple gun, as well as a bottle of wood glue, which will form the primary bond that holds your cabinet together.
Apply a bead of wood glue into the grooves on the back side of the front face of the cabinet. Apply wood glue into the grooves on the side panels as well. Attach 90-degree assembly brackets to the front panel. Align them so that they are flush with the edge of the groove that you just put glue in. You can place these brackets in the general vicinity shown here. Remember that the placement of these angle brackets is much less important than having a good snug fit so that your glue will dry properly. It is the glue that creates the permanent bond that holds your cabinet together. Now you're ready to drop the top and bottom panels into place. Make sure they drop all the way down into the groove and that the groove on the inside lines up. Next, you need to slide the wine rack insert into the groove. It will fit snugly into the groove. If you have a hard time getting it in place, try reversing the cabinet and approach it from the other direction. Slide the back panel into place, make sure everything is lined up flush, and then fasten it together using staples. Install the 1 3/4 inch wood screws into the pre-drilled holes. To ensure that everything gets held together perfectly while the glue dries, install 3 90-degree assembly brackets as shown on the cabinet. Once again, the actual positioning of these brackets is not critical. They are just there to hold everything together while the glue dries. Now your cabinet is complete.